English Fast, helping learners of English build vocabulary fast. CEFR A2. Of course not. Enter business. Of course not. Of course not is a phrase. A2 learners usually know of course not. At A2, of course not is a way of saying no and emphasizing your answer. Here are some examples. Do you mind if I sit here? Of course not. Did you take my money? Of course not. Do you mind if I open the window? Of course not. Enter. Enter is a verb. A2 learners usually know enter. At A2, enter means to come or go into a place. Here are some examples. You can enter by the side door. He entered the house through the front door. They believe that she entered the country illegally. Business. Business is a noun. A2 learners usually know business. At A2, a business is an organisation that sells goods and services. Here are some examples. He runs his own business. She has a business that employs 10 people. Many start-ups or new businesses fail in the first year. In the comments below, write some of your own sentences with of course not, enter and business. Email the editor at englishfast.co.uk for the free CEFR A2 worksheets. Subscribe on YouTube to learn more.